I'm trying something, so I just want to share it. I have this dress right here. It's like a stretchy, long dress from Chico's, and I have it in a size 2, but it's very oversized and stretchy and big. It's a high-waisted thing, but I'm gonna cut it at the high waist part. It has this little band part. This kind of goes through and it ties in the back, so I'm leaving that on. I'm gonna cut above that, and then I'm gonna cut enough to make a waistband. So this is it. I have it clipped at the bottom because I'm gonna cut it even. Hopefully I don't, yeah, I'm gonna try to cut it as even as I can up there, and I'm gonna combine it with this to make a nice waistband, and then I'm gonna cover this with the extra material from the dress to just make it all look the same. But just to give it a nice tight waistband, I'm going to use this. I think I tried to do something with this at one time, and it was in my fabric stash. So let's put it to use now. I'm going to cut the waistband off and attach it to the dress. So let's see how it goes. I already attached these together, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of a modification because this is a little too thick. So I'm gonna cut these little edges off. I don't really need these extra tucks, and the jean material is hard to sew through. I already broke a needle. So I'm gonna cut this off right along the line. I'm gonna have to trim it a lot more, but this is the general idea. It's gonna wrap around just this front part, and then I'm gonna sandwich the skirt in between these two pieces and then sew them together like that. going through a few layers now. I tried to cut back the denim, but you called heavy duty for a reason. So, heavy duty singer. That's what I have right here. So let's see how heavy you can duty. Ow, these pins are pricking me. Okay. Come on now. You can do it. Alright. I don't know how cute this little rim is gonna look, but it's on there. I think it might blend in nicely when it's on. And then I just have to hand sew this last part because that's where the buckle was, or the button. Okay, everything is all connected right here. I was going to cut through and stitch this, but you know what? I tried it on and I don't even have to do that because this buckles right over the button. So it's like a hidden button. Just there. It's in. Like this. But it doesn't have to come out through here. So when it's on, it looks like this. I took the little ties here and then tied it behind here. So it kind of covers over that. Then it falls nice. So actually it worked out pretty good. So here's the band with all the denim on the inside. Nicely concealed underneath. And then here are those straps. And it just looks like this. It would be nice if it had pockets, and I might be able to work some pockets out of this. Maybe one day I might try it out. Just have to cut into the sides and then just put the pocket bags in there. It wouldn't be hard to do. But yeah, here comes the reveal. So again, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.